Hi everyone! Today I'm going to review one of the popular EVBASE accessories for my 2026 Tesla Model Y Juniper. It is the performance-inspired 19-inch Crossflow wheel hub covers. Let's see if they are worth it to buy. Big thank you to EVBASE for sending all of this product for review. I really appreciate the support. First up, the package actually arrived pretty quick. It looks so much better in person. I think they are made of durable ABS plastic. So what's included in the package? Of course, we have received the 4 wheel covers. In the package, it includes the foam strips as well. These foam strips, I have to put it inside the wheel covers on the all around to reduce noise and vibration. I think that's what the intention is. There is a tool that is included, which is this tool. I believe we will use this tool to remove the original wheel covers. Another thing that is included within the package is the actual center caps. So the one that is coming with the these wheel covers, just a black center cap, so there is no logo or anything. And I feel pretty lucky because EVBASE sent me the other center caps as well. Black center caps with red Tesla logo on it. I think that's gonna look pretty cool. It's a small extra step, but it means you get that clean T emblem on your hubcaps. Quality feels solid for the price, no cheap plastic smell, and clips looks really sturdy. Installation is really straightforward. We just use the tool that has been provided on the package, but I would suggest instead of using it straight away onto the wheel, probably just use a towel just to protect any scratches onto the wheel itself. Taking the covers off actually easier than I thought. A little bit of force, but overall it was easy. And yeah, 4 of them are off, and now actually the actual rim is looking pretty good. Better than I thought. And now let's put these performance sporty looking wheel covers on. It should clip on really easy and just repeat onto the other 3. Now it's time for the overall verdict. I think this wheel covers is quite a solid buy, especially because of the look, the performance look of it. It looks so much better somehow. I don't dislike the original, but this look is just make it even so much sportier, I would say. Yeah, the wheel covers give a real performance vibe to it for a fraction of the cost of actual wheels, and they protect the whole rims as well, because comparing with the original, the edges of the rim, it's literally exposed. You could get the curb rash anytime. And the center cap finish with the red Tesla logo just look really nicely on there. And of course, with 20% off using code ZENLOOK, they are such a great value. I highly recommend if you want to upgrade the style of your Juniper without really breaking the bank. So yeah, that's it for today. I will attach the link and the code for all of you guys to use on the description. If you have tried EVBASE accessories before, drop a comment below and let me know what you think. Like this video if this helped. Don't forget to subscribe for more Tesla content. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.